Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to reverse your text in Power Query. So here we have text. Now what I need to do here, I need to reverse the text. So for example, if I'm talking about the first instance, here we have SNTBB. So what I'm going to do, I am going to reverse it. So I will make it BB E and NS. So I will reverse it. Now I'm going to use the Power Query for it. Now what I need to do, I need to delete this. Now simply I'm going to select the text and I am adding this data in Power Query. So what I need to do, I need to click on this data tab. Now here we have from table or range. So here I have created the table. If you have range, you can simply click on it once again. It will automatically convert your range into a table. Then it will import in Power Query. Now I'm clicking on it and you will see. So it has done some changes over here. So I don't need these kind of changes. Now what I need to do, I need to add a column. So for that, Power Query has M language. Let me tell you. So basically, what M language is, M language is functional language. Like in Excel, you are using some function. So some function gives you some arguments like text one, text two, value one, value two. So it is as similar as Excel, but it has some limitations. So now what I need to do here, here I'm clicking on function. So you will see it is automatically taking the source. Now I am using what I'm using, since I am going to add a column, so I'm going to use Table.Add column. Now here is a bug in Power Query IntelliSense. So what I need to do, I need, if I will click tab, and you will see it by default deleted my source. So what I need to do, I need to write source once again. So now if you will see carefully, table add column has three arguments: first, second and third. Now table, this whole thing is my table, so I can call it as source. Now it is asking me what is your new name, new column name, what do you want to add. Let's say I want to add reverse text, and this is purely case sensitive language, so you need to be very careful about the case sensitiveness of every word. Now it is asking me column generator as function. Now what I can do, I can simply use text reverse. You will see it is quite difficult. Now if I will press tab, it will automatically take double text. I need to remove it. Now open the parentheses, and now here we have table. Whenever I am referring any column of any table, then what I need to do, I need to simply insert that column from that table in square bracket. So I'm taking text over here. Now here we are doing one more mistake. So whenever I'm referring text directly by through this function, now what is the problem in it? It is taking the reference of whole column. Now what I need to reverse, I don't need to reverse whole column. I need to reverse every value one by one. So whenever you are referring every value one by one, then you need to type each word here. So I'm writing each. So this will look like this. Now you will see I have put the open parentheses, close parentheses, but here is the open parentheses and close parentheses is not there. So if I will click here and boom, now you will see, as Excel, Power Query has some limitations. So why? What is the limitation over here? It is very much comfortable with text. Now it is not able to convert this number because it convert data type with data type. Now if I'm talking about text with text, so it is very comfortable. Now what I need to do, I need to convert this number into a text first. So if you, let's say, if you are new to Power Query and if you are forgetting anything, so what you can do, just open the Google or search for it. Let's say for example, I forgot the formula. For instance, I am forgetting the formula. Now what I need to do, I need to simply I'm opening the my to do. I need to simply write anything whatever you want. Let's say I'm checking which function will convert power, sorry, will convert number into text in Power Query. So anytime when you are forgetting, you will see here we have text from function. So what I need to do, I can simply click here and write text from. So I need to open the parentheses once again. Now it is taking value, and here it is close parentheses. Now two close parentheses. Now the third one and the last one, and our formula is completed by the help of ChatGPT. Even we can take help of the Google. So now you will see every number or every text has reversed. Now what we need to do, we need to simply close and load, and you will see the result. Now the beauty of Power Query with respect to Excel is when I'm adding a new entry, for example, let's say I'm adding a name Manju Yadav. So by default, since it is a table, so the formatting would be applied and the table would automatically extend it to the new one. Now, here what I need to do, simply refresh it and boom. So keep enjoying and keep learning. See you in the next video.